Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for DeepSeek AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the language bug within this application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up DeepSeek AI application on your device, and after you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Now you can immediately start chatting and asking your queries. Sometimes while using the application, we may be asking a question in English or any other language, but the response will be given in Chinese. This happens due to a bug within the application. If we want to fix this, we just need to go into the settings, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, and then tap on the three dots alongside your username. Now, once you are taken into the settings page, you will see the language option underneath app. By default, the system will be selected, and when the system option is chosen, it may sometimes give you the response in Chinese. So if you wish to change this, then make sure that the system option is not selected and the exact language that you want your response in is selected. Then you can tap on confirm and your settings will be saved. You can also change the main language for your audio input or the output as well. Once you have made your desired change, you can just go back and your changes will be saved. If this problem still exists, you can long press on the DeepSeek AI, go into the app info, and then force stop the application first. Then go into storage and try clearing your application cache. After this, the language bug will stop occurring on your application. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the language bug on the DeepSeek AI application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.